Hi, I am George. Today I'm gonna do something with this banana plant. You can see it is not doing so good. You can see that this leaves dries out and was stopped to grow this leaf for 2 months. This is Cavendish banana plant and today I will replant it. I don't know why it is not doing so good. Maybe the soil not good or something else. I will check the root and yeah. This Cavendish was given to me by one subscriber and I gave it back this this banana plant. We did an exchange and I gave it banana plant like this. This is it's not Cavendish but my bag. This is Musa Herens hybrid. From seed I grow it and look, I grow it from seed. And now look at this, so tall it is now, and I want this will grow so beautiful, but let's help it. And I want to show you, this is Cavendish. I have a Cavendish, very healthy Cavendish, and Cavendish doing fruits. These fruits we eat in our countries, and look, this Cavendish makes fruits without seeds, but I will wait for me to make fruit and container will make fruit not so easy, and let's take care. And so now let's save it, and I hope will come back. I will cut these leaves. So let's do that. So the squeezers are sterilized, and now let's cut these leaves. Now we need to remove this banana plant from this pot. And check the root system. I will go to wash the roots under the jet of water and I will return. So I cleaned the roots and it does not look so good. The roots smells of mold and look, was dried one baby and remove them. Look, there I need to put some against fungus and I will put something. So I cut all the bad roots. Now I have to put there is something not to dry this banana plant. So I did that and look at this now how it looks, and this root should be grow some roots and we need to plant it in pot. I cleaned the pot, another pot, and we'll plant it in that pot, and soil universal substrate I chose, and let's do that. But first I will put drainage in this pot and so now I will put the soil in this pot. Now I will put the banana plant into it. I don't want to lose it and I hope will come back. This soil I will not wet today, it's easily moist. So, well done, I did that. Now I will put it in a greenhouse effect to have more warm and yeah. And close this ziplock bag. I will open this ziplock bag once in a day to give it some fresh air and that's why. So I will post a video update about this banana plant Cavendish. It will come back and we'll see, and take care not to water too much in the winter time. So soon will come spring and my banana plants, I planted them all outside and we're waiting 2 months and yeah. And it's so sad when we lose some plants, and I lost the Musa velutina that germinated, so sad about that. I want to have Musa velutina and I will get it again, and that's why. I hope you enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching and to the end, and I am George. See you next time, like, share and comment, subscribe to my channel. Ciao!